Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. I know a lot of you really want to use Discord Nitro, but don't want to pay every month. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the official way to get 1 year of Discord Nitro completely for free. The method is very simple. It's not a hack, so it's 100% safe. All you need is a working promo code, and then you can redeem it to claim 1 year of Discord Nitro. But before I show you every step, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. So guys, the method is very simple, but this method only works when you use a phone. So the first thing you need to do is grab your phone and open a browser. Then search for your couponbox.com without any spaces. Make sure you type it exactly like I'm showing on the screen. Once you're on the website, search for Discord Nitro. Tap on it to open the page. Now let me explain this website real quick. From what I found out, this website gives out free redeem codes every day, but the number of codes is limited, so not everyone can get one. My friend showed me this yesterday, and that's why I wanted to make this video for you guys as soon as possible. So if you want to try it, hurry up and check if there's still a code available. Now, to get the code, just press the Show Coupon Code button. After that, the process will begin. The website will start checking for an available code. It may ask you to complete a few quick steps before showing the code. Just follow the instructions to complete the steps. Once you get the code, just copy and redeem it on Discord website to claim 1 free year of Discord Nitro. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.